Nutella, I love you. Nutella, I love you today and always. Hi everyone, I'm Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome to our channel. Today, after my singing here, please, sorry about that, we're gonna treat ourselves. And I hope you do the recipe at home and treat yourselves as well. Have you ever had a chocolate pasta dough? No? Well, here today you're gonna learn it. We're gonna make Nutella ravioli with a raspberry sauce on top. To die for. We're gonna post the recipe on the description below, but if you want really more details, I invite you to check our calendar at labellapasta.net, and we will soon have a chocolate pasta dough class. That's gonna be amazing! Now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna fill them with Nutella. Nutella! And if you have to cut it, we need to cut some squares. So if you have a fluted ravioli cutter like this, it's great because you're already gonna make the edges like this. You can also use a cookie cutter if you have one. If you don't have any of this, no problem. You can use a knife to cut in squares, and then you seal with the tip of a fork. Okay? So let's go. I'm gonna cut this. Try to cut it in squares. Very, very simple. I'm gonna grab about a teaspoon of Nutella. I'm gonna put it in the center of the dough. Have some water. With the tip of my fingers, I'm gonna moisten the edges, and we're gonna fold it in a triangle like this. My square did not come out really a square, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix this with the the ravioli cutter. That's it. I'm going to put here on a parchment paper lined baking tray, and I'm gonna finish the remaining of it, and then we're gonna bake this. That's right, we're not gonna fry it, we're not gonna boil, obviously, but we're gonna bake it. You can either use the air fryer or the oven. I'm gonna brush some olive oil on top. I'm gonna bake half on air fryer and half in the oven, so you can see that they come out just the same. The oven temperature would be 350, should be 10 to 13 minutes. That's it. In the air fryer, I would use the 320, 325 for 10 minutes. In Brazil, it's very popular to have chocolate for dessert on Easter Sunday. We exchange chocolate eggs and between adults and kids, and everybody loves it. It's a tradition. So why not have some chocolate pasta dessert? So since La Bella Pasta, it's always pasta o'clock, we can have pasta for lunch and pasta for dessert. There we go. Woo! They're very hot, but check this out, they're crispy all the way. Too hot. Let me show you guys. This is the one that we baked in the air fryer, and these are the ones that we baked in the oven. They look pretty much the same to me. They are both crispy on the outside with the melted Nutella inside. And I forgot to tell you that this pasta dough, it's vegan. Now the fun part, let's decorate and eat. I have here some raspberry sauce that we have a link, a video for this. And this is how I'm gonna do. How about that? One. Go. You're welcome. So let's see how it looks inside. Check this out. Oh my God. It's so good. We have no words, guys. You must try. This is a must. Okay, you must try it. You are gonna enjoy it very much. I might have chocolate all over my mouth right now. I don't care. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you make this recipe. Try it for Eastern dessert. Your kids are gonna love it, and the adults as well. Enjoy! Please don't forget to follow us on our social media. subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button so you will know when we post something new. Thank you, and I'm gonna keep singing here to my Nutella. Nutella, I love you, I love you, oh, 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 I love you, always.